I'm allowed to say something to viewers, can I?
Yes, but what? I challenged myself to build my own voice control chat box in 100 days, starting completely from scratch and taking to an advanced level. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so first thing first, I had to pick a programming language. After doing a bit of research, I found out Python is probably the easiest programming language to start with. It's great for AI, automation and voice projects. Since I don't have a lot of time, I decided to go with Python. By the way, I will drop the video link in the description, the same ones I used to learn all this. Alright, this is day 1. I found this 100-day Python course and decided to go with this. I want to make voice control assistant in 100 days. So I tried to watch 2 to 3 videos a day. At first, it was super basic thing like print function and variables. But little by little, it start making sense. Between day 1 to 10, I was already learned how to use lists, dictionaries and write simple functions. It wasn't always easy, some concepts feel totally confusing, but after some practice, it start to click. From day 15, I learned very interesting thing, user input. Now I am able to intersect with user. By day 15 to 20, I was only able to watch one video because I was busy in editing videos and doing other video related work. Between the 20 to 30, I was building little projects, calculator, guessing game, stuff like that. I start understanding how to take input from user using conditions, loops, and even how to handle error without crashing everything. By day 30 to 40, I discovered modules and libraries. That was a game changer. Instead of writing everything from scratch, I could use tools that were already built. I started learning how to work with files, import libraries, and explore new possibilities. From day 40 to 50, I learned object-oriented programming. Alright, this is day 50. Now I had a good understanding of Python basics and write simple programs without needing help. Then I start looking into the important libraries I need for this project, like speech recognition for voice input, edge-tts for voice output, and few built-in ones like time, random and more. Once I learned how to use those libraries, by day 70 I finally start building the actual chat box. I connected the voice input and output and got basic structure. By day 80 I had only managed to finish half the project. And honestly, I was super frustrated. I once thought about giving up. I think Python was easy, but now I understand how different things can get once you go deeper. But I decided to try one more time. I spent long hours of coding, fixing bugs, and yeah, I won't lie, I got a bit of help from ChatGPT to debug some stuff. And finally, this is day 100. After this all, here's the final result.
What is the password?
Python.
What is your name?
Devansh.
Hello, Devansh. I am your desktop assistant Vixit. How can I help you?
Vixit.
Yes, sir.
Search.
What do you want to search on the browser?
About Earth.
About Earth is now. Search.
Close tab. Open Blender.
Opening Blender. Yes, sir.
Close Blender. Open Calculator.
Opening Calculator. Yes, sir.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube. Yes, sir.
Close it. Calculate.
What is the first number?
23.5.
What is the second number?
92.3.
What do you want to do with this addition, subtract, multiply and divide?
Multiply.
2169.04999999999997. Yes, sir.
Check leap year.
Which year? Please say year above 100.
2025.
This is not a leap year. Yes, sir.
Send message to Viksit.
Say the message you want to send to Viksit.
Hey Viksit, how are you?
Sending message to Viksit. Hey Viksit, how are you? Message sent to Viksit successfully.
Find a square.
Which number square you want to?
9.4.
The square of 9.4 is 88.36000000000001. Yes, sir.
Check website server.
What is the website name?
youtube.com.
Server is up. I'd love to say something to viewers, can I?
Yes, but what?
Don't forget to share and like.
Subscribe also.